steady gains amid optimism. A weekly stock market recap. Today marked a resilient close for U.S. markets, capping a week of steady gains. The S&P 500 climbed 20.63 points or 0.35% to 5,969.344. Finishing the week up 1.68%, bolstered by broad-based buying. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average saw a stronger advance, rising 426.116 points or 0.97% to settle at 44,296.51, a weekly gain of 1.96%. The Nasdaq Composite eked out a 31.23 point or 60% rise to 19,003.65, securing a weekly increase of 1.73%. This performance reflects investors' optimism about economic resilience. Despite concerns over interest rates and inflationary pressures, major indices, led by cyclical and defensive stocks, show strong correlation with market expectations for sustainable nominal GDP growth though. Gap soared almost 13% after earnings per share from the Old Navy and Banana Republic parent company easily beat analysts' consensus views. And revenue came in as analysts had expected. The company issued guidance that topped consensus and said its holiday season has had a strong start. Nvidia dropped more than 3% in what appeared to be continued profit-taking after Wednesday's solid earnings report. Many analysts raised their price targets following the results. But Nvidia shares approached earnings near all-time highs. Ross Stores jumped 19% following a quarter that beat on EPS and matched consensus on the top line. Guidance for the current fourth quarter was below the average analyst EPS estimate. But the retailer excited investors by raising its full-year EPS guidance. Intuit lost 5.68% as the software firm beat earnings expectations, but provided fiscal second quarter guidance well below consensus expectations. It did reiterate full-year guidance, with a delay in timing of revenue driving the soft second quarter outlook.